Well, here I want to actually tell you something very important, that the details of the stages in meiosis, right? If you talk about meiosis 1 and meiosis 2, the karyokinesis, the prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, you don't need to actually learn and understand the details of the stages, because the details of the stages are not there in your syllabus, but in the textbooks it is given. But according to the syllabus pattern, we don't have the requirement to actually go into the details of the stages of meiosis, that is meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. So you just need to remember what is meiosis, what is the significance of meiosis, and how, what are the, you can say the names of the stages, that is under meiosis 1 and under meiosis 2 we have what are the names of the stages, right? So just don't go into the details of what is happening, that you will learn in higher classes. Just understand what is meiosis and how it is different from mitosis, and then what is the significance of meiosis, that is foremost important.